What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. Got Bosco here.
What's good, y'all?
We're here to check out the Lakewood Mall as usual. See what deals they got. Go see what's up, you guys. And look at this, you guys. This shoe palace is huge, huge. Let's go see what's up. They do got raffles here too. So yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. They do got raffles for some of the Jordans. Don't really have much here in the Jordan section, so yeah, I'll still talk about some. They do have these for retail. What are your thoughts about that, you guys? Because these were down on sale, and now they're back to retail. Now that everybody's on the Jordan ones, like, what's up with that? Got these bad boys, man. The more and more I see these, the more dope they are. I'm not paying $125 for mids though, but it does have suede. All that suede right there, man. I'm a fan, dude. It's like long hair suede too. You can't. Oh, it does. You can move it too. Okay. I don't think you could move it, but yeah, that's what's up, man. Got the lows. Everybody got these. Got the white lows as well. Retail game. And then got these as well. The mids. The mids with the tumbled leather. $110 for these bad boys. Okay. Then you got a couple hydros. $58 just seems so much. But yeah, I do have these. I got it on sale. Then which ones are these? These are going for $40, normally $58. I don't know which one these are. I thought I knew my slides pretty good. Are these some Jordan 7s? These look like some 7s. Or 6s. Are these 6s? Yeah, these look like 6s. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. $40 for these, normally $58. We are back at the Adidas outlet. The Adidas outlet inside the Shoe Palace. Prices are super good here. Let's see what's up. All right, I did take a peek. That's how I knew the price was pretty good. But yeah, $100 for these, the suede and leathers. I feel like we've seen these quite a few places, but not everybody has them for $100. $130 here. Kind of like a USA color? I don't know. $130 for the all whites. $70 for the cream color. What the heck? $70? The size 8.5? What? $70? I'm tripping, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. $80 for these. Damn, dog, man. Telling you, cheaper than the Adidas outlet, guys. Cheaper. $100 for these. I don't know all the numbers, you guys. Sorry, I don't know which version it is. $90 for these. These are the 2019s. I know that for a fact. One of the few that I actually know. $70 for these. Oh, $90. My bad. I'm retarded. Yeah, that's $90 for these. Okay. Still not bad. Still not bad. Cheaper than the Adidas outlet because, like, pretty much all the ones there were like $120 last time I saw. It was like another one for $70? No, it's the same one. They just have a different size, I guess. I don't know. This is like a, I don't know. It's like a white color, but it doesn't look super white. But it doesn't look cream. Because look, that's an all white. And this is a little less than all white. I don't know. But yeah, $70 though, dude. That's crazy. What are these? Are these the BY Dubs, I think? These are the BY Dubs, go for $100. That's not sale. What are you talking about, man? Stan Smith's going for $70. Dang, we just saw these at Foot Locker and stuff for like $30. What's going on here? $80 for these. Yeah, the NMDs. I think this is the only one decent price. These are $90. $100 for these. Okay, these are $80 as well. Okay. I don't see any special ones. All right, let's keep searching. What you checking out, Bosco? What you checking out, dog?
Oh, ain't nothing else, man. Just seeing prices. Got these on deck. You know
oh, damn. We haven't seen those in a while. Okay.
Yeah, at all.
And look, the anthracite one that's supposedly sold out everywhere. We've seen those for like the 50th time. Okay.
That's crazy.
Do got the Barrage. You guys got these in couple colorway. I want this one only because I had these in high school. So like one of the few dope pair of sneakers. I remember paying, I think these were $90. Like they were under $100. That's why I was able to get these. These are going for $140. Yeah, if they go on sale, maybe I'll pick one up. PG's on sale. Man, I didn't even say the price, right? $50. These go for what? $80. The Zoom Freak ones. It's the rose color. We go for $80. $50 for the PGs. PG2s go for $80. Hey, prices are pretty decent here, man. This is what Bosco talked about. We really haven't seen these. These are going for $170 though. What the heck? Go for retail price? And then we do got these as well. More Zoom Freak ones going down to $80. Zoom Freak 2s, $120. Okay, that's about it. All right, let's go see what's up at the next shops. I don't even know what's here. I know there's a Sheik here. I think they got pretty much all the other shops. I don't know. Let's go find out. Stop number 2, Foot Locker. I guess they are House of Hoops, you guys. Oh, I did not know. All right, let's go see what's up. Oh, man, you know, we got to check these out. Oh, man, more Clippers gear? Of course, you know, Clippers gear don't sell. I don't even want to hate, though, because I'm from LA, but still. Not the Lakers. But yeah, 50% off, I guess. Yeah, $1.10. So they're going for 55 bucks. Got a few sizes, medium, smalls. XL jacket, normally $100, 50% off. We've seen these at the outlets and at the clearance center, $90. Size medium on sale, 50% off. Extra loud jackets. Windbreaker, $100 for these, size medium. Oh, okay. Okay. Dang, it's $60. The Zoom Freak Employee of the Month jackets. Okay. The Greek Freak. That's the Greek Freak, or is it the Zoom Freak? Because it's the shoe. I don't know, but whatever. But yeah, this is the one tied with the shoe. This is a large, $1.20 for these Employee of the Month ones. Got a large, a medium, and a medium. Okay. Dang. $60. Double Nike check jacket. Normally $1.40. So yeah, down to $70. Got size small, XL. Got a few sizes. Oh, okay. Got an XL, double XL, and a small, another small. Okay. These go for $40. These are normally $80. So a nice little Nike jacket. Okay. Nike basketball section. What is this? It's like weird seeing stuff that I haven't seen. For some reason, I missed this release. I was not aware of it. Never seen this. Got olive colorway. Kind of an interesting mix with the yellow and the like a reddish pinkish color. Okay. Yeah, that's going for $1.60 because that's retail, right? Okay. Got these. We saw these earlier. I think that's the latest release. I don't know now. I'm confused now. Usual suspects. Got some LeBrons. We got some Kyries. Got some Kybrids. Got like 3 different Kyries because he's just got a lot of stuff out. But yeah, let's go see what's up at the other stuff. KD's pretty much always on sale. Dude, got these. The Aerospace 720s. I don't know about retail though. These are pretty dope, but $200 for retail, a little steep. Got the bread ones right here, $200 as well. They actually are growing on me, man. They look doper the more I see them. Fan of that colorway, dude. But $200, nah, I'm good. You guys know I do cover stuff on sale. Yeah, we got a little New Balance situation. The 574s on sale. Normally $80. Man, this guy, man, why am I so dumb? Whenever it comes to suede, I always just love it. I always just love it. But yeah, these are pretty dope, 55. These are 55 instead of 80 as well. Another 574. Yeah, man, I'm a fan of that suede, man. And these, what are these? I don't know what these are. The Comp 100s? I've never really heard of these. Going for $60. Normally $100. Yeah, got an old school feel to it. Okay. Okay, the Comp 100s. That's what they're called. Dude, got a couple of different Kyries. Okay, these are the Jolly Ranchers, right? Dude, got a couple of Kyries. Actually, a few different ones. Okay, how much are these going for? $1.40 for these. Let me know what you guys think about these. Okay. All black one. They're alright. They're alright. I don't know. I just feel like there's so much better stuff out there, especially for $1.60 day. Wait, so why is that one $140 and these are $160? I don't know. That's weird. That one, and it doesn't say on sale or anything. That's what's tripping me out. Okay, $1.60 for these. Yeah, I just feel like you could do a lot better for $1.60. No, wait. Okay, we got the last one here. The Jolly Rancher ones. Okay. Alright. They're there. I don't know. I'm not too much of a fan of them, but I know some people like them. They're not bad. They're not bad. Plenty of Adidas deals, you guys. Yeah, that last mall didn't have that many. But yeah, but apparently they're still on sale. Plenty of other spots. This is one of the ones where they go to different cities or different countries, right? But yeah, this is Montreal, so it does represent Canada. $110. Normally $1.80, right? Alright, admittedly, I don't really check out Vans too often, really, but look at this. It's like a carpet material right there. It's just interesting. This is totally different than anything I've seen. $105 though. Have I ever seen Vans for $105? Holy crap. But it did take some work, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, the material, it did take work. And they're suede up top too. Man, yeah, that suede is, what's the opposite of buttery? It's hella rough. Alright, I'm gonna be dumb. Is this what I think it is? $60. Is that Loteria, you guys? Those of you Latinos are probably gonna know better than me, but is that Loteria? I don't know. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, $60 for those. That's interesting. I've never seen those. Alright, we do got a couple slip-ons on sale. $30 for these. Those are $40. Normally $60. We got some more. These didn't come out that long ago, but yeah, $40. Normally $65. Multiple colorways on sale. Dang, I think they're all on sale, huh? And these are the old school classic ones, right? Like a not so great suede material, but yeah, $40. Yeah, I guess a bunch of them are on sale. Dang. Do have a lot of Air Forces. Not really on sale though. Like absolutely none of them. But I'm a fan of the color blocking on this. You know. This one I'm also a fan of. What do you guys think about these? It's kind of cool how it says Nike worldwide. But if you look at it from far, it just looks like lines. That's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Foot Locker has not been representing much at all with the women's sneakers. Like, I don't know. I feel like everything's going for retail, dude. I guess these are on sale normally 130 down to 120, really. And of course, Joyride's on sale everywhere, going for 80. Those going for 60, even cheaper. Okay, these are down to 30, the Stan Smiths. Do got one pair of Ultra Boosts. Actually, a couple pair of Ultra Boosts on sale. Not too much though, because they got these right here. Also got these. I think these are like $60 off. So okay, got a little sale going on. But that's about it. That's about it. No other sales. Like those are all going for regular price. The Vapor Max, the Infinity Run Flyknits, like those have been on sale almost everywhere. Oh, that's interesting. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. We're gonna wrap it up. Let's go see what's up with Sheik. Get in on this raffle. Yeah, let's see what happens, you guys. See what happens. I doubt they're gonna have anything on sale though. But yeah, let's see what's up. All right, I talked to the worker here. They're supposed to have the snakeskin ones here. It is showing up on the app. I'll show you guys. But they said they don't have them yet. I don't know. That's weird. See, every Sheik, they have a dope Jordan section. They do. When you actually go look at which sneakers they got, not much. All they got is the Animal Print 2.0s. That's it. Nothing really on this. I got some Westbrooks. Oh, okay. Wait, never mind. They do got these, but we did see these on sale at the Nike outlet. Yeah, the homie Marvin did tell me about these being on Hibbett's website forever. He said he caught them for like $120 on their website or something. So yeah, way to do it, bro. Stuff is on sale, but just not as low as many of the other retailers. Got some LeBron 14 lows. What are these doing here? We saw these at the clearance center. Yeah, we saw these at the clearance center like crazy. Like, I'm just surprised to see these at a retail shop. LeBron 14 lows. That's what, 4 years ago? They come out the 18, so 4 years ago? Wow. And it's funny seeing these at retail shops because we really haven't seen these too much. Because they're always at that Nike outlet. These are dope. These are dope, man. Like, so like canvas? Like a canvas color? Canvas material? Okay. Those are dope. Go for retail though. That's not dope. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. I think we got one more store left. Alright, last stop, you guys. Champs. Been having some decent deals here, so yeah, let's see what's up. Starting it off with something different. Some New Balance 801s. I guess it's a trail running shoe. $30 for these. Okay. Damn, normally for $100. So yeah, 70% off. Not bad. Iversons. We saw these earlier going on sale. Saw these at the other Champs as well. $120. Okay. The Harden collab, the OG versus OG. And then 50 for these. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, did I miss this earlier? Okay. Going for $40. These originally started off $100. How do I know? Because the other one does show $100. For some reason, they messed up on that other side, I guess. Infinity Run Flyknits. Oh man, $80. That's hella cheap. Got another colorway. So yeah, 50% off for those. You got the Daybreaks, the old school ones. Normally 90 down to 50. $20 off for these. And yeah, those are $40 off as well. Okay, that's not bad. Not a huge fan of these Jordan ones, but for $80, $30 off, that's not bad at all. Dude, got a couple of the Visions. The React Visions go for $100. Oh, okay, Tailwinds, hidden Nike outlet prices I hear $90 off for those. And then what, $80 off for these, 50% off. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Air Max Plus, go for $70 off, $90 off for those. These are the what is this? The Air Max Plus 3s or something? Yep. What's going on here? Oh my goodness, $3. I think these are their basic shirts. CSG, that's kind of their house brand. But shirts for $3, holy god. This is a 3XL though. You got stuff in plenty of different sizes. You got small, mediums. A lot of them are kind of bright though. Damn, man, what the heck? These are some bright colors. But for $3, $3. Hella interesting. Okay. Oh, that's a small right there. That might be worth it. Okay. They do got some apparel deals. Not even close to the Nike outlet though. You know, it's like 25% off retail prices. So, yeah, they're going to wrap it up, dude. I think we're going to wrap it up. I think we're going to call it a day and head to another mall. Kind of random because I was like, I've never seen a random vending machine in a mall. But I guess that's because of COVID. I don't know. Is that because of COVID? Is that because they don't have any stores? I don't know. It's just I've just never seen a random vending machine just chilling in the middle of the store. All right, now we're officially done. Let's wrap it up. All right, guys. So that wasn't too bad. The most important thing that we did do is we were able to get in on the raffle at Sheik's. That's kind of the primary point. It was weird because in the app it said that hey, they have the snakeskin ones as well as the what was that one?
The fours.
Oh, as well as the fours, the fire red fours, as well as the biohacks. And then we get in store, and all of a sudden, hey, they don't have the snakeskin; they only have the biohacks. So does that mean that, as Bosco would say, does that mean we're getting janked? Like, does that mean that they're backdooring everything, or does that mean that hey, there were shipment issues? I don't know.
I mean, we're in Lakewood. You just
I don't know. I would think that their app would get updated because it changes almost every day on what they have. So it's actually pretty good. So
that's great.
It is what it is. That's kind of how it goes when trying to get sneakers. But yeah, it was interesting coming here. We did find some deals at some of the Foot Locker and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check out his channel. He does do pickups. I don't. Right. And I keep saying that. And some of you guys are like, why does he keep saying that? Because I still get requests almost on a daily basis. That's kind of why I keep saying that. You know, maybe people don't make it to the end of the video. Maybe that's it. I don't know. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check out his channel. You're probably going to want to become a member. Check that out. And yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, press that like button, do all that good stuff on my channel. Yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.